Hello. Ah, Good day sa inyong lahat. This is my second day sa Blueprint Challenge ni Mr. MJ Lopez at kararating ko lang galing sa work. After 12 hours, nag-straight na kagad ako dito para sa ating 7-day challenge. So, our second day challenge is about the planning. So, like kahapon, day 1 is to decide. What is your goal? Then ngayon kailangan planuhin, is planning. Paano ko gagawin ang aking goal through process or ladderize of my success? For me, of course, I need to look the land first, location, and the price, and all the details of the land that I want to buy. After that, when I am satisfied, I need to talk to the landowner. So because I'm not there in the Philippines, so we talk via Zoom. Of course, for every transaction, they have the dealings, but in God's grace, we have an initial talk. And next week, I will make a down payment, and end of the month, and a monthly payment, and some due date that I need to make a big payment. So, in overall, we agreed that I can have the land. So, I write and break down all the details on how I will execute those plans to be materialized until I get my goal by December 2025, guys. Before, I only tell to myself that I will have my rental apartment someday. But when Mr. Lopez teach us what is the right word, to us, it should be have a tentative date and not hanging or no due date at all, because if there's no due date, the location or specific, all of those goals will be only a dream, not a reality anymore. So, I reinstated my word, my beliefs, to have a focus and fix the due date, and to challenge myself that I can do it and I can make it to be true. I know there's a resistance, obstacles, but if you have faith in God, will give to you whatever you ask. That's what my belief. Also, I will stop procrastinate or mañana habit. And I need to think big if I want my success to become true and reach my goal. I have so many goals, but I need to do step by step and do the process until I reach the biggest goal of my life, to buy a building at New York. I know I will make it before my retirement, before my, what do you call with that, is senior citizen. That is my goal. Thank you to my buddy, even I'm not good uploading the video and it's my first time here, he remind me our daily challenge. And all of this impromptu. Because of my time, I just talk and open my camera. I just talk and boom, it's already here. Thank you, Sir MJ Lopez, for opening the kind of opportunities for everyone. It's really big help, and all the team. See you soon tomorrow. Guys, our daily challenge is really fantastic. Bye for now. This is Jennifer Acabal, accepting the challenge of Successful Blueprint. Thank you, everybody. Bye.